Hello everyone, this is Mildred from Sweet Sugar Plum Home Decor Ideas. You guys, I want y'all to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? I didn't really do a Facebook channel yet. But if you want to get notification about the things that I'm doing. Now the last thing we done was we was on the bedroom door display. So I'm going to finish up the hour because, the exit sign. I already started it because it takes a while to, you see, to dry. So I painted it, I selected, and I put the exit sign on. And now I'm just going to add a little doodle stuff here for the kids to look at and other people to look at as they enter the room. Okay, and this is going to be an exit sign because I'm going to use this exit sign to let the kids that come over to the house, my Nene's nieces and nephew, know how to exit the house in case of a fire. This door here, where I'm going to put the sign at, will show the kids that they can exit through that door. They stay stay low down and exit through that window, and it takes them through the patio. They don't have to fall down to the ground or nothing like that. So let's get started. So what we're going to do, I found this here. You remember what I told y'all? I got this from the Dollar Tree. And which one I'm going to use now is a little birdie. I'm going to use the birdie stencil. And we're going to stencil that in. I don't know what color. I was thinking about what kind of bird this look like to you. I was thinking about making it yellow around here. And maybe black little feathers here and a black beak. I'm not sure. But let's see what happens. We're going to just put our mind to, imaginary mind right now. We're going to imagine what to do with this. And I got to, look, y'all, I'm not going to take too much of y'all time. And then we're going to get the colors that we need. I think I'm going to do yellow. And what else color do y'all think I should mix up in here? We think it should be, it looks like a chick or something, but we're just going to do the best we can here, okay? So I'm going to use the brush and start it. And remember now, y'all, this takes some while to dry. So I'm going to show y'all something else while this dries. So I hold it down so I can see where I'm putting the yellow at. Because I don't want to get it no other place, really. So we're going to go up in here the best way we knew how. I think you're supposed to hold it, y'all. Hold it as tight as we can. Because they're just $1. These stencils are just $1. It's not like those big fancy ones. But it'll do the job. So we're going to make sure it does the job. And it's going to do really well. Oh. My hand is not steady. I cannot be a doctor, y'all. If I wanted to be a doctor, you know how that is. You got to have steady hands. And my hands are not that steady to be a doctor. But, however, I am in the nursing field, so I do need some, steadiness and giving people their medicine and stuff. So we're going to color the tail this color. And maybe we're going to mix it. I wish I had brown. But because of the epidemic, I have not been able to go out. I've been stuck at home trying to order my stuff online. And everything is backloaded online. So it's like waiting forever for your stuff to come in. So we're going to do this. And some of y'all got much more. And I think what happened is I forgot to bring my cloth, y'all. So, trying to figure out what other color to put in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Nene to, Nene, is there any way you can bring me a cloth, but, because I need to wipe this one off, because I only brought 2 brushes, and I'm going to need both of them. Let me see now. We're going to make this bird as pretty as we can. Oh, look at me, y'all. I know you're not supposed to do that, but I have the camera here. I have nobody really to hold this camera the way I want. Call Nene in, but she's busy. Yeah, she's busy right now. So we're going to do the best we can with whatever we have. And pretty much this is a good holiday thing. You know, I mean, good leisure time to do things like this. When you have a lot of leisure time, you know, you just want to find something to do. Some kind of little artwork or something, you know. So we're going to give the bird that. And then we're going to go in and make his little feet. If I had brown, he wouldn't be this color. But I think maybe I can mix it up with some red and make a brown. I forgot how you make brown, y'all. I think it's brown and red, isn't it? Okay, so we're just going to do this temporarily because it's just for them to know how to exit out in case of a fire. In case of a fire. Out. The children, the kids, and of course adults too, y'all. Because you know how adults can be. So what we're going to do is paint some of that in there. A little color in here. Color in here. Gonna make his color a little different color. And if I had some red, which I don't have red. Okay, see y'all, see what happened with the pandemic? We can't even get out to get these things. Okay, so now we're just about finished with the birdie. Y'all get the idea of what I'm trying to show you. Just get the colors in that you really need. A lot of people say, well, I don't know if I would paint it that color, but you say so, so fine with me. So we do a light black in here with the yellow. And I think I wanted to get like a little yellow beak there. Because he has a little, yeah, we get a little yellow beak in here. Mix it up with the black.
He pissed
Yeah, so give him a little dot in his eyes. Okay, so there we have it. Now we did the bird for them. And we hope this is going to come out really nice. Just hold it there because it has to dry. Because the last time I did it, I didn't have it dry. So meanwhile, while that dries, well, I hope I didn't move this. While that dries, we're going to show you something else. I am going to, you guys know how I am. This is what we use. We use this here. It's a stencil wheel. And it's the letter stencil wheel. And you can purchase this from the Dollar Tree. Yes, it's from the Dollar Tree. It rolls, oh, okay. It turns around, see? It goes to different letters, whatever you want. And you pick the letter you want. As you can see wherever I put the black markers at, it's there. See, I did the I, did the E, and I did the, oops, I gotta do the X. And I did the X right here. And I did, I'm not turning it right, but I did the T. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to show you another project that I have, but you guys would not believe it. It got damaged. And remember what I showed y'all what to do when you want to make these picture frame a wall hanger. And this picture, by the way, I showed it to y'all, I believe it was Mother's Day. And this used to be a Mother's Day card, believe it or not, a card that I really love. I took a picture of it, took it over to CVS and blew it up to an 8x10. So, because I love this picture so much, it was so beautiful. This was such a big, gigantic card for Mother's Day someone gave me. So what I'm going to do is to show y'all that I'm going to hang this up in the hallway too, between the two bedrooms. Yeah, we're going to hang this up in the hallway. Hope y'all can see this because, let me see if I can get this in this hook here. Hoping I can. Okay, oops. Well, you hang it right here like so. Okay, it's gonna go up there. And you're gonna have another one on that side. I wanted to show y'all how it looked, but he looks like he's fighting with me right now. And I don't want to take up too many of your time. Okay. Okay, we got him. Okay, so he's gonna hang here. Isn't that beautiful? And then we have two of them. However, this one got damaged for me. It doesn't want to, I don't think it's strong enough to hang on. You see? It's not bending, and I can't turn it this way because the picture goes this way. So we have two of them. So what I'm going to do is, these things are called, this is from the Dollar Tree too. And this is called poster tack. Don't ask me, y'all. I'm just trying it for the first time. And I believe that these poster tack is supposed to hold things up. It's an adhesive, so it's supposed to hold things up on the wall. So let's see how this works. Okay, we're gonna try this for the first time. Oh boy, it's like some dough plate. But anyway, I'm just trying new things. And I believe, you gotta pull this apart. I don't know what this is. But anyway, yeah, it's called poster tack. And as you can see, it's gooey. I don't know how well this is gonna hold up the picture. But for now, I want to hold it up just for you guys to see how it goes. There's no direction, I don't think, is there? Well, this is it. I don't know if you guys are gonna like this, but no, there's no direction. So how does this go? Right. Because I'm trying it for the first time, and you guys are watching me try it for the first time. So what I'm gonna do is move my table over, and I'm gonna ask Monet to come in and help me with the camera. And so y'all can get a picture of where he's going. And he should hang up over here. But what I have to do is buy another hook here. And I haven't, like I said, I don't go into stores, not unless I really need something really important because of the pandemic, the epidemic going on. I have not been going into the stores. Okay. So let's see how this goes, y'all. It's kind of putty. And you put this here. Like so. And it should stick. Oh, okay, so it do stick.